Hello, happy Valentine's Day, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I am here to share some love and some insights into Web3, so with that, let's dive in. Our Discord is bustling with over 3,674 members. It's the perfect time to join us if you haven't already. The link is in the description box. Our social media post of the week this week is about our newest IPFS 101 video, Content Addressability. Discover how this technology ensures the integrity and authenticity of digital assets, revolutionizing Web3 and NFT storage. I definitely suggest checking it out right after this video. For Powered by Pinata this week, we are shining a light on Giveth. Giveth is a trailblazer in philanthropy on the Ethereum blockchain. They're transforming how we support causes we care about by eliminating middlemen and fostering direct, transparent connections between donors and projects. It's about more than just giving. It's about building a future where generosity is rewarded and every contribution makes a visible impact. Exciting news to share from our head of developer relations, Steve. He's crafted Photocaster, a Farcaster client that elevates your image posting experience with high-resolution support. Frustrated by the quality lost on Warpcast, Steve harnessed the power of IPFS to ensure your photos shine in all their glory, without compromising speed. The link to Photocaster is down in the description, so see how IPFS is making a difference. Are you curious about the tech that's powering the latest Farcaster craze? Let's dive into Farcaster Hubs. Hubs are the backbone of this decentralized social platform, facilitating the storage and retrieval of data. With the introduction of frames, Farcaster has become a hotbed for developers. And guess what? We've launched a free Farcaster Hub integrated with Pinata's IPFS service, making it easier than ever to build and scale your projects on Farcaster. And with that, we wrap up another episode of Weekly Whimsy. If anything you heard today inspired you, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and join us on future discoveries. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye!